First of all, why right in the ear, man? Yeah, that's you want to forgive a headache and thing. Like, I'll just wake you up and say, go on downstairs.
This is what I have to deal with.
First of all, check if he's okay, and second of all, kick him out your blood clot, man. Yeah, leave the house. You're too loud. Give me a headache. Oh, the cat's fed up. He's like, your breath pink and just shh. Who knows if this is the cheat or this?